In this video, I'm going to show you how to download FC24 from EA Sports on PC. So in order to download this game, first of all, you must have Steam app installed into your device. If you already don't have Steam installed into your device, you're going to open any browser in your system and then search for Steam. And then you will be redirected to the official website of Steam. And in here, first of all, you're going to switch to About section from the header of this website. And once you do that, you're going to click on Install Steam. And once you click on Install Steam, the setup file of Steam will be downloaded into your device. And once it has been downloaded into your device, you're going to navigate to the place where you have downloaded the Steam setup. And once you have found that, you can just double click on that. And after selecting the location, Steam will start installing into your device. And then Steam will be installed into your device. So first of all, you must have a Steam account. But if you don't have an account yet, you're going to click on create a free account, and then you can follow along the next steps on your screen to start creating your account. And once you have created your account, you can type in here your account name and password. And then you can just click on sign in. Then you will be logged into your Steam account, and you're going to make sure that you are in the store section. And once you have checked that, if you see at the upper right side of your screen, you will be able to see here a search box. And in this search box, you're going to type in the name of your game, which is FC24. And once you do that, you will be able to see here EA Sports FC24. So you're going to click on that. And after that, you're going to scroll down until you find the option Add to Cart. And then you're going to click on Purchase for Myself. Then you're going to enter here your payment method along with your payment information. And then you can scroll down and click on Continue. And once you have purchased your game, the game will be moved to your library. And to go to your library section, you can click on Library from the header of the screen. And after that, you will be able to see here your purchased game in the list on the left side of your screen. And once you have found your game, you can just click on that and then click on Install. And after checking the location where game will be installed, you can click on Install. After that, you're going to wait until the installation process has been completed, and once it is, you will be able to see here a play button instead of this install button. So you're going to click on that to start playing your game.